Students, today we are going to study how to draw a line parallel to a given line. Let us solve practice set 2.3 to understand this concept. Question number 1. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line. Through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. At first draw line L here, then take any point A outside this line. Now we use set squares to draw a line parallel to this line. Now take a set square containing right angle, that is a set square of 45 degree, 90 degree. Place one side of a set square, that is a smaller side of this set square, matching line L as shown by me. Then take the another set square and adjust the side of other set square along the second side of first set square, that is the larger side of first set square, in such a way that we can slide this set square on the first set square. And now adjust this second set square in such a way that the point A lies on the other side of second set square. Then draw a line passing through this point A. Now extend this line on both sides in this way, and this line is line M. Now we have drawn line M parallel to line L, so we write here line L parallel line M. In this way we can draw any line parallel to a given line through any point outside the given line by using the set squares. Question number 2. Draw a line L. Take a point T outside the line. Through point T, draw a line parallel to line L. Now at first draw line L. Take any point T outside this line. Now take the set square containing right angle. Keep this set square on the line L, matching its one side on the line L, so that perpendicular drawn from this line should passes through point T. So this is the line perpendicular to line L. This is perpendicular. Now consider another point N. Suppose this point is M. Now from point N, draw perpendicular by using a set square containing right angle from the point N so this is perpendicular from point N to the line L. Now take a compass, take a distance equal to MT in compass, put compass on N and draw an arc on this perpendicular line. Let that point be Q now. Join the points T and Q. And this line will be line M. So we can write now line L parallel line M. Now question number 3. Draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 cm from it. At first draw line M. Take any point B on this line. Now with the help of a compass or set square or protractor, draw a line perpendicular to the line M. We use protractor here. Draw this perpendicular line. To the line M. Now take distance 4 cm in a compass in this way, 4 cm. Put compass on point B and mark an arc on this perpendicular. Now let that point be A. Now take one another point Q on line L. Draw perpendicular to the line L from point Q using protractor or compass. In this way. Now take a distance 4 cm in a compass, put compass at point A and draw an arc on this perpendicular. Let this point is P. Now join the points A and P and draw a line passing through these points A and P. And denote this line by N. Thus, line M parallel to line N here. In this way, we have drawn line N parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeter. This distance is 4 centimeter.